Allow your instructors to assess learners' competencies by creating levels for outcome tracking. This tutorial shows how to create levels for outcome tracking. To begin, click Admin Tools and select Standards. Note: the Manage Outcomes Learning Outcomes permission must be set at the organization and course offering level to create a new scale. Click Create Scale. For this example, we will create a 4-level achievement scale at the organizational level. Enter a name for it. Then, enter the number of levels for your scale. The levels are arranged from Advanced to Novice. To select the colors associated with the level, click Change Level Color Selector Color. You can enter the hex code for a specific color by clicking More, or as in this example, select a color from the existing palette. Enter a name for each level. When you are ready, click Save and Close. You are returned to Standards. To apply the achievement scale, click its context menu and select Set as Default. A confirmation appears. Click Set as Default to continue. Your achievement scale is now available to instructors. Allow your instructors to assess learners' competencies by creating levels for outcome tracking.